Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Glimmering Pet Shard in Grow a Garden New Very update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just got this Glimmering Pet Shard after making a wish on the fountain power, and I'm going to show you how we can use this item. So guys, you can apply this item to one of your pet, and I'm going to apply it to my lemon lion. So we can just click on the pet that we want to apply this pet shard to, and as you can see, I have already applied this Glimmering Pet Shard to my lemon lion, and my pet now can shine like this. And then let's see the ability of the pet shard, the Glimmering Pet Shard. I'm going to select my lemon lion. Okay, now my lemon lion has turned into Glimmering Lemon Lion, and it can help me to mutate my plants to glimmering. As you can see, this is the ability of the Glimmering Pet Shard. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Glimmering Pet Shard in Grow a Garden New Very update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!